Welcome to Quick App channel. In this video I am going to tell you how to make Facebook account private 2024. In this video I am going to tell you step by step how you can make your Facebook account private. So let's start the video. First of all, you have to open the Facebook app. Now you have to click on the three-dot line in the top corner. Here you have to open your profile ID. After opening the profile ID, click on the three-dot line option. After opening the profile settings, the lock profile option will appear. So you have to tap the lock profile icon. After tapping the lock profile icon, a page like this will open. Here you have to lock the profile button and click on it. As soon as you click on this button, your profile will be locked. For confirmation, you have to OK the You locked your profile notification. So you can see that your profile has been locked.